beautiful Geekables. Welcome to my new subscribers and hello again to my returning subscribers. If you're new here and you don't know, let me give you a little insight. One of my favorite things to do is to react to a fan edit. I love them. I absolutely love them. I think the editors that create them are completely talented, above things that I can't even begin to express. I know I couldn't do it. And the amount of hours and thought and creativity that goes into it to be able to take all those pieces and put them together and mash them with music and just know what to write. I love it. I love it. I love it. So that is something that is kind of a staple of what I like to react to. So when I find new ones, I get excited. Ka Cinema Reviews is a fellow Geekable. One of our Geekable family members is an editor. So I went over to their site and I found one. We're going to give it a shot. It's a multi-fandom. I like multi-fandoms. Thunder and Lightning. I've got my headphone in. I say we give it a shot. I say we see what Ka Cinema has. And let's go. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh. Nice.
Can you feel that? Yeah. Well, let's go. Time to get it started. This is our mode. Turn the level way up till it's high flow. We gon' light 'em up, make the world take note. When the game face on, then it's game over. You were witnessing the force to be flagship.
I know that show.
Move in the task. Rule in the rest, cause the movement's electric. This is our house, and it's built by legends. Yeah, if they coming for the spot, tell them let's rock. Standing like a brick wall to your best shot. Ain't no victory that can't be won when you're rocking with a city made a champion.
That's my man.
It's time to bring the fun, make the ground shake. Come on, when we strike down, what you go? Come on, make the ground shake. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Your power astounds. Now feel my full power.
Yes. Get him.
Mocha.
I was.
Here we go rain, and we go shine. When it's go time, go time. We gon' push it to the limit like it's no lie. When it's go time, go time.
You can feel the music. You can feel it.
When we strike down, what you gon' do? Make the ground shake when we come through. Let's go, let's go.
Okay. I see you.
You face the true
All right,
god
Ka
of
Cinema,
thunder.
if you are not following Ka Cinema, and if I'm saying that wrong, please forgive me. Please tell me how to say it. You should go over now and subscribe because that was hot. And if we can encourage you to do more of them, I would be all for them. I'm sure everyone else would be too. Thank you for being a Geekable family member. Thank you for being so talented. And that was hot. I'm a big fan of Thunder and Lightning. I am. I have, you know, a lot of my characters tend to be people that can wield that that I like. That was hot. That was hot. That was a good one. All right. I love it. Love it. All right. You know the deal. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, follow along. Be a Geekable family member because we're on the road to 1,000 and we're almost there. We're almost there. And do everything today with love. Every day's Geek Day. I'll see you next time. Bye.